You've been on TikTok for a while now and you're a gamer, you've been playing games online games and enjoying the moment, and your friends are saying I'm good, and you've been watching other content creators making money from their gameplays and going live on TikTok and streaming and displaying their gameplays, and you've been enjoying the content and you're seeing people gifting them a lot of gifts and they're earning money out of those games that they're playing. And you're wondering, how do I make money out of the games? How do they do it? How can I make money from it? So here are 3 ways you can make money from TikTok. Number 1, you have to create content that are appealing. Pick a particular game that you're good at and create content on the game and post on TikTok. Then people will gift you through that content. They can gift you through that content. Number 2, your live stream. People do gift you through your live stream. Once you're playing games on your live stream, you should make sure you are very interesting and you're funny as well. Add things that will actually spice up your gameplay to make viewers want to stay on your live and keep watching, and you need to just be more entertaining to them in order for them to gift you more, in order for them to like your content, and they come back and watch you anytime you're live. They will come back and actually watch your content and watch you play games, and they enjoy the moment, and as a result of enjoying the gameplay, they would want to gift you in order to appreciate your stream, in order to support your stream. So that is one of the ways you can actually earn money from TikTok. Number 3 is viewers subscribing to your page. Whatever will make a viewer want to subscribe to your page is that they find your content very interesting. They find your live stream very interesting. Maybe the way you play, or maybe the way you interact with your audience and your gameplay, and the way you're very good at the game. They want to learn something from you. And one thing you should always do is that make sure you drop tips on how they can actually play the game. Maybe a secret about the game that they don't know about. You give them those secrets. Those things will actually make them want to stay in your page. Anytime you're on live, they'll just hop on your live to see what you have to give them. So anytime you're on your live stream or you're dropping a content, make the content interactive, make the content enjoyable, make the content enticing, and make their experience with your content worth staying. Like, they would want to stay in your content and just watch your content and enjoy the moment. So that is how you can make money from TikTok as a gamer. So if this content is helpful to you, kindly like, share, and subscribe.